Okay, write your first name, last name, and date at the top. We are going to make a March calendar. First task is to fill in the missing numbers and then answer the question. So see how it goes 1 blank, 3 blank. You need to fill in the numbers all the way down to 31. These gray spaces are other months. These 3 are February, so we do not need to fill them in because we are doing March. This one would be April, so we are not going to fill this in. March has 31 days, so we are going 1 to 31. So fill in the missing numbers is task 1. Task number 2, question 1, color the flowers on the first day of spring. So find the first day of spring. It is labeled, and you will see some flowers. Color them in. Question 2, on which day of the week is the first day of spring? So after you locate the first day of spring, you're then going to follow the column up and find out, is it Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or Saturday? And yes, you need to use an uppercase letter and a full sentence. So you need to write, the first day of spring is on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Question 3, on which day of the week is the last day of March? As I said before, March has 31 days. So find March 31st, follow the column up, and is it a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or Saturday? The last day of March is on a... Question 4, which holiday is 3 days before the first day of spring? So again, find the first day of spring, go back 3 days, and you will find another holiday. What holiday is it? The holiday 3 days before spring is, and yes, you need to use capital letters and a full sentence with a capital at the beginning and a period at the end. Bonus, aka a challenge question, aka you still have to answer. On which day of the week is April 1st? So remember these grayed out boxes I talked about at the beginning? One of those was April 1st. Follow it up, find the day of the week. April 1st is on a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or Saturday. And yes, you need a full sentence. The April 1st is on a... Task number 2 is on the back. You need to take the Donkey Library quiz. You can use your Scholastic News to help you. So, question 1. What made it so hard for students to get books? Go back into your Scholastic News and find out what made it so hard for them to get books. They lived in a rural place. There weren't any libraries or bookstores nearby, or both. They lived in a rural space and there weren't any libraries or bookstores nearby. Color in A, B, or C. 2. Because students didn't have access to books, Luis brought books to them with his biblioburro, built a library, or opened a bookstore. Look back in your Scholastic News. What did Luis do? Did he A, brought books to them with his biblioburro, B, built a library, or C, opened a bookstore? Question 3. As people have learned about Luis and his biblioburro, what have they done? A, sold books to Luis, B, donated books to Luis, or C, loaned books to Luis. Look back in your Scholastic News for which one people did. Did they sell books to him, donate books to him, or loan books to him? Question 4. On which page is there a picture of Luis reading to students? A, the cover, B, page 2, C, page 3. Look back in your Scholastic News. Which page shows a picture of Luis reading to his students? The cover, page 2, or page 3? Question 5. What is this article mostly about? A. Luis Serrano's Donkey Farm. B. Luis Serrano's favorite books. C. Luis Serrano's Donkey Library. Thinking about the whole article, what is it mostly about? Luis Serrano's Donkey Farm, his favorite books, or his donkey library? Turn it into the finished work bin when you are done.